Okay, so start off by peeling your cucumbers, and after this, cut them into small cubes. You can adjust the size of the cubes as you might like. After this, take apples and cut them into small cubes as well. Next, take capsicum and cut it into small pieces. Shift all the vegetables to a clean plate. After this, take purple cabbage and cut it into finely thin slices, like a julienne cut. Shift all the vegetables to a clean plate. Then take cabbage, green cabbage, and cut it into thin slices. You can also add iceberg, but green cabbage is suggested as it gives a crunchy flavor to your salad and also enhances the overall flavor of the salad and the dressing as well. Shift all the vegetables to a plate. Then take onions and cut them into thin slices. You can also skip them if you don't like the flavor. Then take salad leaves and chop them or cut them into small thin pieces. Then take tomatoes, however tomatoes are totally optional. Then take a clean bowl, add lemon juice, thyme, oregano, and few drops of sesame oil and 2 drops of extra virgin coconut oil. You can also add apple cider vinegar if you like it. Then add all the vegetables to a clean bowl again and put in your dressing. Now take 2 spoons and stir all your vegetables well. This will enhance and spread the flavor throughout the vegetables. Next, add strawberries on the top and any other seasonal fruit that you might like.